So anyway, speaking about Peach, so I know I've just been just really out of it with my situation in New York, the situation in New York. You know, when family is in trouble or family hurts, you hurt and you feel helpless. And so I've been kind of an emotional mess. But the situation is being maybe not fully resolved, but it's being taken care of. So, but you still worry. But anyway, so I'm sorry that I have not taken pictures. As far as me, my infection has not gone away. It just seems to be getting worse and worse. So I really pray to God that this plastic surgeon will do the surgery for me for whatever the insurance company will pay him. So anyway, on to the Peach collection. I got the full face palette. And this does smell like peaches. It does have a like peaches. So you've got your highlighter, your blush, your your contour, and then this is a gold highlighter, and this is just a matte highlighter. You've got your 3 peach lipsticks, lip creams, and then you've got your glitter. And as you know, all you can do is dip your finger and pat, 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 because these are horrible. These are like gel. At least I heard a review that it was horrible, but the colors are pretty to me. And then it looks like they've got they got a peach palette 2, and the pink peach, the pinky peach palette. And it looks like they have a little bit from each palette in here. So I got the full face palette, and this is what I'm talking about up here. I don't know if you can tell. It's got this like it's just nasty. That obviously happened in the factory, but it didn't affect the shadows, so I didn't really make a big stink about it. But it just just looks awful. And then as usual, they show you up. This is the pinky peach, I think they call it, the peachy pinks. So I got this. I had a hard time removing it. I didn't realize it was taped. And it's so small, but they do have mostly peachy pinks with some bronzy colors. And I opened it up, and it smells stale, just like the one I got from the the Family Dollar store, the peach palette. I feel like I should have just kept that one, because it's like half the price of what you would pay if you order from Australia. But I mean, these weren't all introduced. I was looking at their Instagram, and it was all introduced earlier this year, so like back in January. So it shouldn't do that so quickly. But the colors are so pretty. And I don't think it's that the eyeshadows are bad. I think it's just that whatever perfume that they used faded already and, left that smell. I know I was afraid to use the other palette. But I honestly don't think it's the shadows, because these were, like I said, they were all brought out in January. I just think it's whatever perfume that they used when they were made, and these were all made in China. So, then see, so can I even get this? These are really hard to get out. Ugh. So this is their Peach Highlighting Trio, and both the blushes look like they might be a little too light for me. I wanted to place another order. I mean, it's expensive. It's like $15 to ship from there to here. But what I really want is their blush, their peach blush, and it's out of stock. This is going to be a couple of weeks before they get it back in. But this also brings a highlighter, and this is a shimmering highlighter, and then the bronzer. So, got that. And then I got the peach lip oil. And of course, because this is a matte liquid, so you put that underneath and put this, and this was pretty good. I tried this one. It wasn't the color I ordered, because this said that it was a pinky peach, but this is a full-on nude, and it was really light for me, so I figured I could mix these two together. I think this is their darkest peach. They have like a light, medium, dark. This was their lightest, and then I picked the medium, but they sent me the darkest by accident. Like I said, it was really good. I tried to get a nail polish. They will not ship nail polishes overseas. So, but I think these go nicely together. Yeah, so that's all I got from the peach. Like I said, I like to place another order because I want to get the blush. I want to get the rest of the lip colors, and then they have the peach palette too. I think I'm just gonna go back after everything I went through with that first peach palette with that crazy lady, and then trying to return it and nobody would take it back. Now I feel if some of them are gonna come out stale anyway, I might as well get it at half price. So anyway, so I wanted to get some more of the lip products. See if maybe I could send to my friend, and then my friend ship it to me. So, but right now they don't have the blush, so I'm gonna wait off on that.